with the pending by-elections scheduled for May the 19th. Over the last few days, I've had a consultative process with friends, supporters and well-wishers as to how we should move ahead on the 19th. It has been decided that we will go all out in this battle on the 19th, which this time there is going to be a lot of silent voting and people are going to be decided. And we have decided to wholeheartedly support Velingkar, who is the best candidate in the fray. We are appealing to the voters of Panjim to defeat the very corrupt BJP candidate Velingkar, and to also defeat the awfully tainted Congress candidate Munsara. As far as the AAP candidate is concerned, we truly feel that he is a young, promising candidate who has to mature, but unfortunately he is in the wrong party. Velingkar is the best option as he is a man of integrity, well educated and has the intellectual ability. He has proved about his honesty in public life and his competence in whatever he does, and Velingkar is well versed with the city of Panjim. The BJP and Manoj Parekar have used Siddharth Mukolkar as a spare wheel. He was asked to contest when they needed him. He was asked to resign at his whims and fancies and the fancies of the party and Manoj Parekar, thus necessitating a fresh election. I feel that we cannot accept a very tainted candidate like Munsara. The Honorable Supreme Court and the Election Commission of India have been trying over the years to decriminalize the entire political field. Now those who are convicted cannot contest, and the Supreme Court has gone a step further and has advised the governments that people who are having cases pending against them should not be inducted as ministers or in any public office.